Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your design by Humans store step by step clearly. To verify your design by Humans store, start by logging into your account. Navigate to the dashboard area. Look for the section labeled Store Settings. Click on Store Settings to access the options. Locate the Verification tab within the Store Settings. Read through the verification criteria provided. Ensure that your designs meet the necessary guidelines. Prepare all required documentation related to your designs. Upload the necessary files as prompted. Double-check that all your information is accurate. Confirm your email address if required during the process. Submit your verification request. Wait for a confirmation email regarding your submission. Check your email for any further instructions. If approved, you will receive a notification regarding your verified status. If not approved, review the feedback provided. Make the necessary adjustments based on the feedback. Resubmit your verification request once the changes are made. Keep monitoring your email for updates. Once verified, you can promote your store confidently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.